Hello and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. Thanks to funding from the Arturo Irara Zaval Korea Foundation, the Salesian Industrial School San Ramon has been able to equip itself with an electric car which places its vocational technical secondary education at the front row of new non-polluting technologies, aiming for better opportunities and skill development, directly benefiting students specializing in automotive mechanics, electronics and electricity. On May 3rd, the act of blessing of a modern electric car was held in the Automotive Mechanics Workshop with the presence of Father Gabriel Romero, Counselor for the America Southern Cone region, members of the Coordinating Council, Student Center, Specialty Faculty, students and the pastoral team. Those in attendance were introduced to the new Hyundai Kona brand electric car, which aroused surprise with its revamped design, electric motor, innovative technology, LED lighting and sporty details. Patricio Morales, the Vocational Technical Coordinator, highlighted the significant advancement for vocational technical secondary education, which includes 3 axes: the Hyundai Kona Model 2023 electric car, the installation of an electric station inside the workshop, which allows charging the vehicle, and teacher training. This will enable the institution to be at the front row of this technology, which is no longer the future but the present, as several labor market institutions in the area are opting for electronic vehicles. On the feast day of Saint Dominic Savio, the 6th of May 2023, 9 young Salesians renewed their religious vows for another 1 year in the presence of Father Bosco Ngini SDB, the Superior, to lead a life of obedience, chastity and poverty in the Society of St. Francis de Sales. The profession took place early in the morning with the Holy Mass in the chapel of Don Bosco Nazareth compound. There were over 100 participants, including some religious, Salesian fathers and Salesian sisters nearby. We are glad and thankful to the good Lord for still sending some young workers to carry out His mission in the vineyard of the young people. We pray that they may be faithful to God day after day and have strength to overcome all trials. Only the strong serve in the church. It may not have been the official slogan of the event, but it certainly fully captures the spirit and atmosphere of what took place in Alexandro Kujawski last weekend during the 28th St. Domenico Savio Feast of Altar Service. More than 350 altar servers are there, accompanying persons from 22 centers of the Salesian province of PLN, 11 different sports disciplines, 4 days full of joy, fun, formation, prayer and pilgrimages, shows and performances, all held in full Salesian spirit. This is just a small numerical summary of the feast, which has become a regular event in the calendar and tradition of the PLN province. The event took place from April 28th to May 1st at the Salesian communities in Alexandro Kujawski and was attended by, among others, Father Tadeusz Itrek, PLN Provincial, his vicar, Father Krzysztof Rudzinski, the Salesian School Director, Father Gregors Gruba, the Delegate for Ministries, Father Jakub Marek, and the Provincial Delegate for Youth Ministry, Father Krzysztof Tomek-Kowski, who organized the meeting. 6 years after the previous EAO Regional Congress in Tokyo, May 2017, each of the 8 Salesian ASC provinces in the East Asia Oceania region is preparing for the upcoming Hong Kong Congress. Beside the election of the new World Councillor for the East Asia Oceania region, each province will report on the life, vocation, formation and mission of the members. Statistics speak loudly. At the present, the Korea province had 29 local centers and another 4 in the making to be soon officially established, with 704 promised members and 96 aspirants 3 years period. However, among these 800 are 264 non-active members, most of them non-active for more than 5 years and can't be reached. The EAO for the Young project launched in 2017, Congress brings growth to the Salesian Young Cooperators team that was launched in 2015 by the sons and daughters of parents cooperators. Now there are 5 promised and 3 aspirants accompanied by senior members. With the young, the variety of ASC mission is focused on youth in conflict with the law and juvenile prisoners volunteer service, SDB and FMA group, homes or 2 oratories in Gwangju and Seoul. Mass celebration, recreation and counseling activities are part of this apostolate. Another mission field was developed with Mom's Food for youth lacking daily food, Fish Bread Day of senior ASC serving the young of group homes. While the 1st of May International Labour Day is often associated in Poland with moments of leisure and relaxation for the young students of the Interprovincial Theological Studentate in Krakow, it was no time to rest. They spent the weekend between the end of April and 1st of May engaging on various fronts and animating various youth activities. Some of them went to Alexandru Kujawski, where the 28th feast of Saint Domenico Savio and the altar service was held. During these days, the altar servers competed in athletic competitions, a football tournament, knowledge competitions, and a video game tournament on their computers. Of course, there was no shortage of communal prayer and spiritual formation. In total, about 300 people attended this celebration. In the capital of Warmain, Olsztyn, on the other hand, the provincial meeting of animators ISA of Salesian of Poland, Krakow, PLS was held. The motto of the meeting was offered by a phrase of St. John Paul II, "Put on comfortable shoes, for you have a whole life to cross." And indeed, during the gathering, the approximately 200 participating animators tried to answer the question of what these comfortable shoes to wear are, literally and figuratively. Thanks to the contribution of the entire organizing team and various collaborators, the participating boys and girls were shown the value of a relationship with God and with others. The meeting, which opened on Saturday, April 29 with Mass, concluded on Tuesday, May the 2nd, with a youth pilgrimage on foot to the Marian Shrine in Jezus Ward. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.